Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're going to do another small but mighty unboxing. Now, this is something that's going to make my videography, especially my unboxing stuff, quite a bit more efficient. And I'll get to that in a minute. For instance, the anchor links by Peak Design. Now, I got this for my R10 from Canon so that I can take off the neck strap very quickly when I put it on the tripods, so I can increase my efficiency in the studio. Then, of course, put the strap back on when I'm going out to do shoots in the field. So hopefully this will work out. As you can see on the current setup, I have the strap that's pretty much connected on there permanently. So when it's on a tripod, it does kind of hang down and it can get caught. And if it gets too caught, then everything's going down. So that's why I got those adapter clips. Now, I did buy this on Amazon. It came a little beat up. So just open it up. I was supposed to have two of the points for the strap and for the anchors. See if I can figure out how to get in this thing. Aha! I can get in it from the bottom. Alright. Go ahead and pull this out. Nice. It does have a quick connecting adapter. And then inside the box, it says, "Welcome to Peak Design Ecosystem." And it kind of tells you the other stuff that it can sell you, which I'm sure they have no problem doing that. Open it up. Oh, there's the instructions. Nice. Oh, slid right out. Look at that. Okay. So it looks like I just push it straight out. So in order to release this, you got to push down and push up, and that releases. And then when you have a strap on, you got to push down and pull, click. There you go. Alrighty. It says scan me. Oh, this is the product warranty. If the product fails, you repair or replace it for free. Does it say for how long? But I'm going to go ahead and register it anyway, off camera. And it says it's rated to 200 pounds, 90 kilograms of force. It has a robust 3-layer design, and we're supposed to replace these bands if the yellow inner core becomes visible. Okay, so I guess that's why they gave you a couple extra spare ones. Let's go ahead and get these out. 1, 2, 3. A little tab in the back. Pull up. There we go. Make it a little complicated for you to get all the pieces out. But I understand with their packaging and all that. Oh my gosh. There we go. Ta-da! Alright. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. That's what I was promised. That's what I got. Alrighty. So now, we have to remember how this strap goes on. So I'm just going to take one strap off at a time. Oh, you got to push both through. That's what it is. You got to push both through. And then pull that back. Okay, so you should be able to pull that out. Just like that. Which then means this I should be able to put that in there. String it up through that thingy. Okay, that's where it was. And now we got to loosen that up so that I can get that bottom strung up in like that. And then back down again like that. Did I do it? Did I do it? I think I did it. Ha ha. And here I thought it was going to outsmart me. All right. Then the anchor point says it goes through here. Then their circle goes through the hole. Comes out like that. All right. So then, if I did everything correctly, then this should match up. Pull. I did it. Now I just have to do it on the other side. And we're good to go. So I'll be back in a minute. So now, when I have to put this on the tripod, I don't have to try to string everything up or have the strap in the way, tripping over you and all kinds of stuff. I just have to push that in. That comes off. Push that in. That comes off. And now I can just set that right on the tripod, and I have nothing to get in the way, to bump, accidentally pull, which would, of course, pull the camera and the tripod down. I like this a lot. Well, thank you for coming along with me and taking time and your patience while I figure out how to put the PD adapters on the strap for the Canon R10. And of course, this can go on just about any camera that has a strap. I think this is really going to do. I like it. And as always, have a great day.